Oh, is that right, eh?
Yeah.
That'd be fun.
Yeah.
I'd probably kill myself doing that. 1, 2.
Good. Yeah, a little electric scooter too.
Oh yeah, those are dangerous downtown. They're on the one-ways, coming out of the laneways, the narrow laneways, and at the sidewalks. They like, man. So okay, before we do the hill parking, we'll just go through the steps for a roadside stop. All that means first is we're just going to pull over safely to the right side of the road, without moving just yet. Just keep on rolling, and before you pull over, signal right, check your mirror, and check your right blind spot too. There you go.
I'm not good at my tire placement, I don't think. I have no idea where I'm...
Use your side mirror.
How's that?
You can try to get a little closer. Let's go up to the next,
Sure.
and just gradually get a little closer.
I don't want to...
Look at that. That's really good, actually. You're getting your tires right on that crack. This is ideal.
Oh, right here?
This is ideal. Look at that space you got there between the curb and the side of the car.
Mm-hmm.
That's ideal. What it means is the front tire and the back tire, they're both on that seam, the crack there. Where
So you put it on it, basically?
Yeah.
Okay.
Easier said than done, but the right tire is right under my right foot. The left tire is right under your left foot. That could help you. Also, what could help you pulling up to the curb too is, see that bump on the outside of the windshield arm?
Wait, what?
There's a little bump there on the outside of the windshield,
Oh, yeah.
on the wiper blade.
Yeah, right there.
If you keep that bump on the left side of the curb, you'll be fine. If it goes over the curb, like when you're looking at it, it intersects the curb, right?
We're like right on it right now.
Okay, so that's perfect. That's where you want it.
Perfect.
When you're pulling up to a curb, you just keep an eye on that. Keep an eye on your side mirror, and
Nice
just
trick.
slowly, just kind of gradually pull up to the curb. Yeah, I'll give you a bunch of different little markers here and there for different things.
Yeah.
Okay, so at this point here, cancel your signal, and you put it in park.
Oh.
Then every time you put it in park, you go engage park and brake.
Engage parking brake.
Yeah, and then for the roadside stop, all that means is there's an emergency, you have to get out and change a tire or something, and you want to be more visible to other drivers when you're outside of your vehicle, so you put your hazard lights on. Go ahead and push that. That turns all your flashers, your 4 lights on, and you'll be safer out there, basically.
So on the road test, do you do all this? Put the
Yep.
hazard and everything?
Yeah, you go through the motions, basically. And then to pull away, you do everything you just did, but you do it in reverse order. Yep. Into drive. Don't worry about release parking brake or anything. That they don't care about that.
No, here? Okay.